It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. I got a question for everybody out there. Would you invest in YouTube if it was 3 cents? Now, y'all see how YouTube look. Y'all know YouTube is a platform creators can come on. You can get paid for advertising dollars. And you know YouTube right now makes billions of dollars per year in AdSense revenue. So, you know, we can see how YouTube look. You can see how the outline look, the layout look, and you see how I can just stroll through YouTube effortlessly. This is my page right here. You see how the layout on YouTube, beautiful layout. Now we can go to the main page. You can stroll over a video. It automatically start playing a little bit. So YouTube, it came a long way. They even got YouTube posts now. It came a long way. Would you invest in this platform if it was 3 cents, knowing everything that you know? And on top of that, I could even show you the stock price right now. YouTube is valued at $1,400 per share. Would you invest in YouTube, knowing everything I just showed you? Would you invest in this platform if it was 3 cents? Now, I'm pretty sure everybody out there watching this video said, yeah, hell yeah, I would invest in YouTube if it was 3 cents. So let me just take you back. Let me take you all the way back to the beginning of YouTube. Now, look how YouTube looked in 2005. Who would have knew this would be the platform that can change people's lives, that would make billions of dollars in AdSense revenue, that would allow people, a voice and, to get a platform. Who was calling that? Who was calling that in '05? Nobody. Nobody. So I'm going to ask you again, now, 2005, would you invest in YouTube, not knowing anything, not knowing nothing about success, but just seeing this page? This is how YouTube looks. Would you invest in that for 3 cents? Some people, 50% of people would. They'll be like, okay, yeah, I invest in it. It may be something, but, the other 50% is just going to turn a blind eye like, it might not even be nothing. Just looking at it, looking at the early stage of YouTube, man. This is 2015, man. This is 2005, excuse me. 15 years ago. 15 years ago. This is how YouTube looked. Who would have knew it would be the giant platform that it is today? Now, you have an opportunity today. I'm making this video because you have an opportunity to invest in a platform similar to YouTube. It's only 3 cents. Now, this platform I'm referring to is called LBRY. Now, if you ever heard of LBRY, LBRY is a decentralized platform, a video platform. It's a digital content platform. You can add videos, pictures, GIFs, anything you want to do on this platform is pretty much allowed. And, you get paid in what's called LBRY credits, right? And if we look at LBRY credits right now, it's 3 cents per share. Now, something I want everybody to understand about Google, YouTube, and the success. We did this. You know what I'm saying? We, the people, did this. From people coming on here, uploading great content, and touching people across the world. Y'all built YouTube, man. Y'all built YouTube, even creating all different type of helpful content, entertaining content, music, choosing to upload it on YouTube. That is beneficial for the platform. So again, the power is really in the people, because without y'all content, without the edits and all of the music and everything you distributed on YouTube, it wouldn't be what it is. It wouldn't have came that far. And now you have an opportunity to own something. This platform isn't owned by anybody, but you have a platform. You have a chance to be a part of something that could potentially be as big as YouTube. Now, let me show you. Now, y'all see how YouTube looked in 2005. This is LBRY TV in 2020. You know, it already has a home page, a watch page. You can see it already has motion thumbnails. Um, you know, you have a toolbar, you already have accounts, and everything is set up pretty much fluent. It's very fluent, and I haven't had any problems with the interface. And it's very reminiscent, to early stages of YouTube, you know. And this platform you can invest in. You can invest in this platform. You can find this platform or this coin on the coin market cap. Even Coinbase is tracking it. Coinbase doesn't fully support it yet, but they will. And you can see LBRY is a blockchain-based digital content protocol containing a digital library of videos, music, games. LBRY reportedly has millions of pieces of content ranging from Hollywood films to user-generated originals. LBRY also has a desktop app and a mobile application. You can purchase, the LBRY credits are used to publish, purchase, and support the content. So when you want to interact with LBRY, just how YouTube has like and dislike, LBRY has tips, only tips, right? And I can show you today. You can see all of the tips I made for June 14th. These are tips just for today. And, it's a whole nother page of tips. And you get tips when people like your content instead of, people disliking or liking your content. They support it by tipping it. And that makes the LBRY credit a utility on the platform, and that makes it valuable to the people on the platform. So as more people upload content and get involved with LBRY, it becomes more valuable. The coin, the credits, the LBRY credits become more valuable. And like I said, we create these platforms by uploading content, by engaging with them, by participating in the growth. That's human generated. YouTube success was human generated through content, uploaded content, and people going viral, from being able to reach other human beings through video at, through the internet at such a fast and new rate. And now we have a new chance to build another platform. And you have a chance to be involved in the growth. So right now, if we look at my LBRY account, you can see I have a balance of 7,500 LBRY credits. I earned 2,100 in tips, and I currently have 6,300 staked, meaning that's what I've invested into my channel. When you stake, you can support your channel, and that helps your channel be found more throughout LBRY's algorithm. You can add LBRY credits to videos, basically that promotes it. You can support your videos using LBRY credits, and all of that will appear in the staked pile, And with this, I got about, I got about 16,000 LBRY credits, right? 16,000 LBRY credits. And they value that, let's just round it up to 16,000 times 3 cents. That's $480. I got about $480 in LBRY credits. Now, let's just do some crazy math. Let's say if LBRY ever got to this point, if I had 16,000 shares of YouTube when it first started at 3 cents, at the current price, That's how much is that? That's $22 million. $22 million. From a $480 investment. And I didn't even invest $480. That's just how much I have in LBRY credits. Um, the thing I like about LBRY is that once you sync your YouTube channel, this is probably the easiest way to get started if you got a YouTube channel. You can sync your YouTube channel to LBRY, right? And they pay you just for being active on the platform. They pay you, and these amounts can change throughout the year based on the growth of LBRY. But LBRY is seeing a lot of growth. When we go to something like Similar Web, let me show you. Similar Web, and we type in LBRY. Let's go to LBRY.com. Let's look at the searches. We can see the number of visits is going up crazy on LBRY.com. Let's go to LBRY TV to see how many people visited the actual platform. 3 million. It's improving like March, April, May. It's going up. It's on a rise. So y'all got a time. Meet LBRY, a content platform owned by everyone and no one. This is great, man. So I'm just making this video to let people know you got a chance to invest in YouTube if it was 3 cents, right? Even if this gets to $1, $5, $12, a 3 cent investment, which you would get back, crazy return. So I believe this is the number one altcoin, the only altcoin I'm going to focus on. LBRY credits. And I just wanted to make this video to inform y'all. You got a chance to invest in YouTube when it was 3 cents. Look how YouTube used to look. Who would have knew? You tell me this. You knew this was gonna be the platform. It's people making 100,000 a month off this platform. It's people making $1 million a month off of this. Look at this. Look at this in 2005. Who was about to call that? Who was about to call that? So who's gonna call LBRY? Who gonna say LBRY the next one? Nobody. Nobody until it's happening. Until when it's happening, a lot of people gonna still get in and make a lot of money or find a lot of success. But whoever is on the groundwork building right now, those gonna be the real ones. So yeah, I recommend getting started right now. Let me just go to my channel. I already got 408 subscribers. And it automatically syncs your YouTube videos when you upload them from your channel. It automatically syncs across. After a couple hours, it'll automatically be on there. And LBRY TV is growing. Like, it's going up in rank in the United States. It's very high in the global rank. So yeah, this is where I'm at with it. So I just wanted to make this video to inform everybody out there. Not trying to influence nobody. Y'all do what y'all want with y'all money. But hey, if y'all hear about LBRY, 2 years, 3 years down the line, you be like, damn, what? Damn, didn't I hear about that shit before it started doing all this? Just pay attention, man. It's your boy YON WORLD. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's my video for the day. Would you invest in YouTube? This platform right here. They value that $1,400 a pop right now. Would you invest in this platform? This is how I looked in 2005. This is how I look at 2005. That's how I look. Would you invest in this platform if it was 3 cents? Let me know in the comments. It's your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.